So the first point, is already printed there. I will just read it down for you, okay? Or read it with me. The first point, advertising function is at optimizing bids. Optimizing bids. Now, what is the functional goal for the function? To reduce ACoS for keywords or products with high spend, clicks, or ACoS. So this is the functional goal of this optimizing bids. Now you have to write down whether you are doing it right now. No, like if you're doing it, then it will be yes. If you are not doing at all, then write down missing. If you're doing little bit, then you can write down no. Okay. So yes, for our case, we are doing it. So I will write it yes. Now the second one is testing search term and ASINs placements. Testing search terms and ASIN placements. Testing search term and ASIN placement, and the goal for that is to take control and be eligible to be shown on limited ad placement inventory, as Amazon has only so many inventory to show our ads. So you understand that, right? Amazon has only few spots where our product can show as advertising, and a lot of advertisers are promoting their product. So when we run product, optimize it based on placements, when we bid for placements by optimizing top of the search, product page, or rest of the search, what we do for auto campaigns, then you can actually be eligible to be placed there. You will be the first one to win the auction and be shown. So the first, write down if you are testing by placements. If you're testing your ASINs keyword by placements, write down yes. Yes, we do it. So I'm writing yes. If you do not do at all, write down missing. If you do sometimes, write down no. Now the third one, automatic campaigns. Okay, let's give it some time. Let's figure them out. Okay, done writing the first two. Okay, so the third one, automatic campaigns based on targeting broken into placements. So automatic campaign, there are 4 targeting: close match, lose match, substitute, complements. Again, each targeting may be divided into 3 parts. That is top of the search, rest of the search, product page. Now we test rest of the search in automatic as well. We can do it. We have got good results on that. Okay, because Amazon don't allow it, but we have figured out some ways. So what is the goal for it? To test all placements given to all targeting and placements equal exposure. Now, automatic campaign tends to spend a lot. Now, when you control it with each targeting type, then each placement type, then you can get low ACoS. Like we get in points 0.5, 1, 2, 4, like that. Then you can optimize more better way. So write down if you're doing yes, write down yes. If you're not doing, write down no. If you're not doing at all, write down missing. If you're doing little bit, then write down no. For our case, it is yes. We are doing same for our clients, for us, for our brands. Now the fourth point, optimizing placement campaigns. Now what happens is maximum people set their bids by placement. They increase the 100%, 200%, 50% in the top of the search or product page placements, but they do not go and optimize it. They optimize their bids, and when they increase their bids from 1 rupees to 2 rupees at the back end, the 100% increase which make the bid 2 rupees bid to 4 rupees because it is 100% increase. So the functional goal for is to reduce ACoS and increase profit. Now, if you're optimizing placement campaigns, the placement stats that we did, then write down, yes, we are doing it. That is why I am able to teach you that. If you're not doing it at all, write down missing. If you're doing sometimes, write down no. Now, the fifth point, targeting customers by brand ads. The fifth point is targeting customer by brand ads. Now, what is the functional goal for it? To target customers in those exact customer journey, to get results from all our 3 layers of targeting. So if you're using brand ads and not focusing on all the broad keywords that you're using in the keyword that you got in keyword research, instead focusing on the search term report or the other 3rd layer customers, then write down yes. If you're not doing, then write down no, or if you're not doing at all, write down missing. Now this third layer targeting, we will do or will know about it more in the display ad training that we are going to cover. Now the sixth one, tracking main keyword rankings. The sixth one is tracking your main keywords ranking. Now your product will be getting sales for at least like for somehow like 10 to 12 keywords that you are getting maximum of the sales from like maximum 10 to 12 keywords. The rest you may getting some sales, but the main keywords that is responsible for sales will be maximum 10 or 12. So are you tracking those main keywords that today it is in the first organic position, second day it is on the third organic position? Are you tracking the positions? We use Helium 10 to track their positions, how much it is ranked and all, we check the ranking and all. So are you doing it? Now, what is the goal for it? To check and optimize campaigns regularly for better performance. Write down yes if you're doing it, we do it. If you do not do it at all, write down missing. If you do sometimes, write down no. Okay. So as we have said earlier, what we are going to cover in this session, optimizing bids for placement, we have did it. Headline search ad, we are yet to do it. Choosing keywords for search ads, we are yet to do it. Then all about search headline search ad, we are yet to do it. So then let's get into headline search ads. Okay. So here, if you see this parts, okay. Now, store spotlight and product collection ads, which we call headline search ads, but Amazon call it differently, right? Amazon call it store spotlight and product collection. So you can either drive the traffic to your store or to a three product landing page where it will show only 3 products or products what you have selected. Now these are some examples. Okay, what maximum brands are not doing. These are called custom images. What are these called? These are called custom images. These are called custom images. Now let me just quickly go and show you some example of headline search ad and why these are different from what other brands are doing. Okay. So if I show you this page, this is a keyword I have searched. Now you can see this position is completely blank. This position is completely blank. If they have used a custom image, then a big image should be shown here. Or in mobiles, it should look like the same thing that I was showing you. Now they are leaving a huge real estate, but by not using the custom image. Not using the custom image, they are leaving a huge real estate, huge real estate. So these are normal images. Now you have to use the headline search ad. Let me just show you where you have to select that one. Okay, the custom image part. They are not using the custom image part. That is why this whole position is missing out. This white space, they're missing out on that real estate. So if you can see this, when you go and create headline search ad, this is going to come. Now you have to choose this custom image. Once you have chosen this custom image, you can add the image here. You can add the image here. Now you can see the requirements of the images. You can see the requirements that they ask for the images. It's 1200 into 628. Now make sure it is in a what I will say lifestyle format where it shows face of your avatar. The customer that is avatar, customer avatar, make sure their face shows here. If it is a lady, show the lady. If it is a kitchen product, show the lady using the kitchen product, something like that. So these are the requirements. Now, sometimes we have actually used text on the image and was like we got approved, but sometimes they told us straight that don't use text and they haven't approved it. So use this part in order to get shown on that position. Okay, in order to get this big thing, because when you add custom image, then only it will appear like this in the mobiles. Let me show you again, okay, how that one looks in mobiles. So if you come here, let me show this how it looks in mobiles. View, inspect. So if you see, this is how it is showing because they are not using custom image, right? Because they are not using custom image. Now, sometimes this also may show, your ad also may show like this if you're using custom image also, but if you use custom image, you'll get a lot more positions and visibility. Okay, so they are not using custom image, so their ad is not showing like this one so big. It is taking the whole real estate. Okay, that is so important to be shown this. Now we are not going to show our cold audience this one, everyone that is searching keywords related to our products. We are not going to show that. We are going to show to cold or no, hot audience and a warm audience for our third layer of customers. We are going to cover that in next sessions, in display ad sessions. So this is what you have to do. Okay, use custom image. We have shown the dimension you have to use lifestyle image. Now you can see this avatar, customer avatar is kids, because this is for kids. So it is showing how happy the kids are. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Choose your top three products. Top three products. Okay, do not choose any product that is not selling. Choose your top three products that will be shown here. Okay, so now what you have to do to get such a real estate of the custom image? Use custom lifestyle image. An image with your ideal avatar works like magic, as I have showed you earlier. 1200 into 628 is the dimension. Go in Canva, create the design if you're not using it. Exact match works the best. Exact match, because we are dealing with search term that we have extracted during the search term report extraction. We have chosen only those keywords that have got more than 3 says. Those search terms we are going to use here, and some separate thing that we are going to cover on the display ad section. Now, we do not really run broad, okay, because that will spend a lot. Keywords will be proven keyword extracted from search term shown before, as we have gone through that search term report extraction. Get the top sponsor ad position to drive more conversion, plus to use law of omnipresence. We'll cover in the last day in detail as well. So this is a marketing strategy that we are going to cover. So suppose your headline search ad is showing at the top. The second position is taken by your product sponsored ads. Then on the third or fourth position, your video ad is showing, and when you show your video ads, it take a very big real estate first. So it comes a video, then the listing. Then suppose your organic position is also showing. Now, which keywords you have to target here? You are not going to show your headline search ad for all the keywords. We are going to show for the search term that we have extracted, but there are some other keywords also that you need to target. So we are going to look at that as well. Okay, that we are going to cover. Now add variation keywords to get more cheap clicks and share. How that is. Suppose you are selling bottle and customer is searching red bottle. Use that red bottle in the search term, red bottle, and make sure your ads appear when customer searches red bottle. Then the click will be much cheaper. So you have written down week 6. Okay, week 6 details as well. So now let's do one thing. Let's find out for which keywords our product is ranked on the top page, on the first page. Now we are obviously not going to select all irrelevant keywords because you will get thousands. So we are going to select the relevant ones only that are ranked on the first page. So with some search volumes, obviously. So let's take example of the top seller here. So the top seller is this one. Let's copy this and go to Cerebro, paste the A sign here. Then it is set to India, then get keywords. It takes a little bit time. So our whole motive for this will be to find keywords in which we are already ranked organically on the first page, and that keyword must have some good amount of search volume. And that is when our omnipresence strategy and our brand domination strategy will work. So minimum search volume, let's keep it 400. Okay, if you can keep it a little bit below also, because if the search volume is low, then the clicks will also be charged low. Now organic rank minimum, won't do minimum, we'll do maximum 24. That means it should be under the fourth page, in the first page. So each page consists maximum like 20 to 30 product listings based on which category it is. In mobiles, it shows less, but it should be better. Okay, first, second page, both are kind of similar for this kind of strategies. Now we will do something here. Sponsored ranks, we don't want it. Match type will be organic. We don't know anything. We don't want to do anything here. Competing products, no, we want to do ranking competitors. Okay. Competing products. Let's look at total number of products returned in a customer search using keyword. Okay, let's do it. So it will leave it blank. Okay, it is not. So now what you have to do, that should be enough. Okay, that should be enough. Word count 2, matched up organic. Let's do apply. Let's see how many it comes. Okay, there is not that much of keywords. Okay, obviously there shouldn't be. Now you can obviously do this to little bit higher also, like 400. Okay, or 350. That is not that high. Okay, that is, now we are getting 82 keywords. Let's, now it is 71. So it is better, right? It is better. So now you can just copy all this and use these keywords. Okay, use these keywords for your brand analytics, and these keywords you are already ranked in the first page. So obviously your spend will not be that much, your cost per click will be not that much. And here for this keyword, you need to show all the ads. So now download it here and you can then use these search terms. Okay. So in network modules, we are also going to deep dive into brand ads, video ads, and display ads. So let's leave this. So let's end this session here. We are again going to come back on the next session with more details about brand ads and researching keywords for showing your brand ads.